Okay, we're back. Now it's time to go fix some settings. I turned down the volume. I turned down the volume. I just do the. You hear the oof 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 oof. Wow, people will literally buy that Bob skin. But yeah, uh, okay, that's good. Cause I using my. Whoa, what's happened? So guys, this is my first ever video I will be recording of Shark Bite. So we'll see how well that turn out. Okay, you driving or I driving? I driving. Okay. Wait, Leon, wait, what? A chunk of my boat gone. How is that? How is a chunk of my boat gone? Bro, what is this? Leon, were you there? Oh, the chunk of boat gone. The chunk gone. The chunk come back. Where you gone? Oh, I said take a see ya. You know you boat? Wait, does you? Oh, Leon, look at down here. Look at down here. Okay, okay, because the shark will come. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Wait, a chunk of you boat gone. Yeah, chunk. Stop, doesn't. What? Meeting, seeing stuff. Oh my god. It won't tip over. As a professional driver, I do drift like this. As a it's not even a rock. It's an iceberg. But we make a new version. This is called the Teeny Tanic. Ding ding. Whee! I'm a professional driver. I have no clue. Literally no clue. So, that was oh look my boat. Where oh I take a see it. What is it? Okay. Look at there, look at there. Take a shot, 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 take a shot. I'll go in next to it. Hoo-yah! I jump off though. Whee! Shut him on. I can drive. What? What's wrong? It's dead. We are alive. Why you still arguing? Not because you still get teeth anyways from surviving. It doesn't matter. At least we're getting. At least we're getting tests. Hey, oh my god. I done the upside. I done the thing. I can't. I want to be the shark. Please, 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 please. Patrick. Wait, this Patrick thing, huh? Go on my boat. Invite you join. Boy, you serious? I drive in. I am driving. I'm a professional driver. Call me Spider Man. Oh! You see, look at chunk of the boat gone. Wait, what? Oh, it's just my game glitching. It's spinning. It's spinning. The shark can get no help. My game is glitching so much. Bro, why is your thing spinning? Hurry, move, do something, move. You wanna drive into something, I could bet. Where's the shark? Oh, shark! I see the shark. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I can't get a proper shot because the window. I hit it! I hit it! I hit it! Release! Boom! 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 Oh! Bam! Bam! Chunk to the other boat, blocking me from. I gotta turn my screen. Me. I'm the professional driver. Bam. Oh my god. Leon? Leon, drive? Drive? I think I cheated. I think I cheated shark. Oh my god, I can't get proper shit because the boat keep wobbling. Oh my god, a whole chunk of it. A whole chunk. Oh my goodness. Put on your head. Put on your front lights. I frightened being at the back here and all of a sudden the shark just pop out to nowhere. Wait. Ah! No! Help me! Accidentally jump out. Oh my god. Can I see? I don't need the go. I accidentally jump out. Yeah, okay. I try for sit down. Okay, perfect. I hate being at the back of this boat. Wait, I think I see the. Where is it? Where the other thing gone? We can't keep. Wait. We can't chill here. Drive. Drive! Oh my god. Oh my god. You suck at driving. Look, he's spinning. We're spinning. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Bro. Guys, comment. Who is the better driver? Me or Duh? So people can see how bad of a driver you are. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. You can't drive at all. Oh my goodness. And you're talking about I is the worst. Boy, sit down. I driving. Let me show you. Then sit down or else you. No, don't kick me. Don't kick me. I want to show you my driving skills. Please. Stop. Please. Okay, I will show you my professional driving skills. Oh my god. Stop shooting. Oh my god. OMG. OMG, I can't see nothing. Leon, this is how you drive. Leon, this is how you drive. This is how you actually drive in the real world. Whee! Oh my god, this is a torpedo boat. This is a torpedo. Oh my god. Oh my. I'm trying to flip it. Flip! Flip, you stupid boat. I drive it now. Need water. How much you bet me? What is? Okay. Drive. Drive. You see the shark? You see the shark? Anytime the shark? Okay. You see Leon? This is how you drive. Okay, perfect. I fixed it. I fixed it. Now let's catch some sharks. Hello, shark. Bye. See you later. You just think tip? Oh my god, I swear. It won't tip because I get the hang of it. It tip! Leon, it tip! It tip! It tip! I drunk it! I could, I'm breathing. I can breathe. I can breathe. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh god! Look at the shark. Look at the shark down here. Boom, boom, die shark. Die shark, die. Bam, bam, bam. Wait, it's saying I die. It's saying I die. I am not dead. I'm alive. I'm right here. How you so? On you, I can't see you on my screen. I think you usually the person dead and I you alive. I'm gonna drive you both. Yeah, broke it on both. Okay. I end inside the lobby. It's saying like in the lobby. It's saying like in the lobby, but I'm actually not in the lobby. It's picking a shark. It's picking a thing. A shark. I am in the middle of the. Okay, invite me. I want to fix this quick. By the time I'm gonna mush. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. We got one person. Mm. Mm. I don't want you to drive. It's your boat, but I don't want you to drive. Yay! I got 2 RPG. Perfect. Means I could do a double RPG action. Look, Leon, look at the double RPG action. Magic car. Leon, use the worst driver in the world. You drive into them. Don't say nothing. Huh? Look at this double RPG. Look at this double RPG. Bam, bam. I don't know. It's some glitch. I get 2 RPG in my inventory and I can shoot all 2 of them. Drive! Drive! You can't drive? Means I could do a 4 damage if I catch all 2 of my bullets. Okay, that's good. The shark almost dead. Yeah, almost about part of his health. Drift. Drift, Leon. Drift. You legit come out of Roblox? Bro, and you left on the way. Okay, I drive in. I taking over your boat. Perfect. I see the shark. I see the shark. You come out to the thing. I could drive your boat. I drive in your boat. I don't know. Well, I drive in your boat. You get disconnect? I drive in your boat. Oh, teammate. Oh my god. Leon, I tipped the boat. Leon, I tipped the boat. I tipped the boat. Okay, wait. I'm fixing it. I'm trying to fix it. I can't fix it. I'm driving upside down, Leon. This is the best way to drive. I try. Okay, I go in and drive into the shark. Upside down. I am legit upside down, Leon. You don't know. I am legit upside down. I'm trying to like bring the boat back to life. It's dead right now. It's upside down. This person says something in Spanish, I think. Oh my god! I bet. Ganado. Okay. Well, look at me. I tipping the boat. This boat is a torpedo right now. This boat is actually a torpedo. This boat is so wobbly and fast. Okay, I fix it. I fix the boat. I fix it. Okay. Teammate, do something. Jump in the water, sacrifice yourself to kill the shark now. That's what I do on time. Wait, I took a seal. You jump in the water. Oh yeah, shit. Oh, shark food. Teammate, shark food. Jump out, kill the shark. What a shark? No, I can't. Oh, hello, shark. Yes, I'm doing damage. I killed the shark. Yes, I killed the shark. Woohoo! I killed the shark. I am the bravest. The strongest. I killed the shark. Perfect. Nobody on it. No, my teammate didn't do nothing. Okay, I think this is a good time for end the video. I know it's a short video, but I end it right here.